The capital and currency of Austria is, the correct answer is B, that is Vienna and Euro. So the capital is Vienna and the currency is Euro for Austria. Which of the following countries' capital is Suva? The correct answer is C, that is Fiji. Suva capital, chief port and commercial center of Fiji in the South Pacific Ocean. Which of the following pairs of capital and currency of a country is correct? The correct answer is E, that is all of the above. So the first one is Bamako and the currency is CFA franc. Then Dhaka, currency is franc. Port Louis, currency is rupee. Banjul, the currency is dalasi. So all of the above are correct pairs. Ayodhya used to be the capital of which ancient kingdom? The correct answer is A, that is Koshla kingdom. Ayodhya, also known as Saket, is an ancient city of India and is the birthplace of Bhagwan Sri Ram and setting of the great epic Ramayana. Ayodhya used to be the capital of the ancient Koshla kingdom. What is the currency of Greece? The correct answer is D, that is Euro. So the currency of Greece is Euro. The capital and the currency of the country of Cuba is, the correct answer is A, that is Havana and Peso. So Havana is the capital and Peso is the currency of Cuba. Which of the following is correctly paired? The correct answer is C, that is Mongolia, Togrog. What is the currency of Azerbaijan? The correct answer is A, that is Mannat. What is the capital and currency of Panama? The correct answer is C, that is Panama City, Balboa. So its capital and largest city is Panama City, whose metropolitan area is home to nearly half the country's 4 million people. What is the capital of Dadra and Nagar Haveli? The correct answer is B, that is Silvassa. So the territory consists of two sections, Dadar and Nagar Haveli, which together embrace roughly 70 villages, and its administrative headquarters is located in Silvassa. The outcome of devaluation of currency is, the correct answer is B, that is increased export and improvement in balance of payments. What is the capital of Tripura? The correct answer is B, that is Agartala. So King Krishnal Kishore Manekya shifted his capital from old Agartala to present day Agartala and considered to be one of the oldest municipal bodies in India. Agartala municipality was established by Bir Chandra Manekya in 1871. What is the capital and currency of Croatia? The correct answer is C, that is Zagreb, Kuna. The capital of Rwanda is, the correct answer is B, that is Kigali. So Kigali city and capital of Rwanda, it is located in the center of the country on the Rugan river, and Kigali was a trade center during the German colonial administration and became a regional center during the Belgian colonial period. What is the capital and currency of Turkmenistan? The correct answer is E, that is Ashgabat, Mannat. Ashgabat is the capital and the largest city of the country. The population of the country is about 6 million, the lowest of the Central Asian republics. What is the minimum average maturity period for long-term foreign currency denominated external commercial borrowings? The correct answer is A, that is 10 years. So for repayment of rupee loan availed domestically for purposes other than capital expenditure and for on lending by NBFCs. For the same, the minimum average maturity period of the ECB is required to be 10 years. What is the capital and currency of Norway? The correct answer is A, that is Oslo Kron. So Oslo is the capital of Norway and krone is the currency of Norway. Calcutta became the capital of British India in dash. The correct answer is D, that is 1772. So, Calcutta did not become the capital of British India until 1772, when the first Governor General Warren Hastings transferred all important offices to the city from Murshidabad, the provincial Mughal capital. Currency printing press of India is not located in dash. The correct answer is A, that is Kochi. So, the government owned press are at Nasik, that is Western India, and Devas, that is Central India. So, the other two presses are at Mysore, Southern India, and Selboni, Eastern India. Coins are minted in 4 mint owned by the government of India, and the mints are located at Mumbai, Hyderabad, Calcutta, and Noida. What is the capital and currency of Malawi? The correct answer is D, that is Lilongwe and Kwacha. So, Lilongwe is the capital and Kwacha is the currency. Which of the following US based bank launches the first bank backed cryptocurrency? The correct answer is D, that is JP Morgan Chase. So, JP Morgan Chase launches the first bank backed cryptocurrency. Name the digital currency project jointly launched by United Arab Emirates and Saudi Central Banks. The correct answer is B, that is ABA. What is the currency of the country Ecuador? The correct answer is E, that is US dollar. So, the currency of Ecuador is US dollars. First multi-currency international debit card is issued in India by? The correct answer is E, that is SBI. So, State Bank of India in tie-up with MasterCard launched its first multi-currency international card to allow consumers to use a single card to pay in multiple currencies. What is the capital of Denmark? The correct answer is A, that is Copenhagen. So, the currency of Denmark is Copenhagen. Hope this video will help you in your preparations. Please do like, share, subscribe and comment to our channel. Press the bell icon for instant notification. Thank you. All the best.